In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Figma to make a portfolio. Figma is an incredibly powerful and versatile design tool, widely used across various creative fields. For any professional looking to showcase their work, a well-crafted portfolio is absolutely essential. It serves as your personal gallery, highlighting your skills, experience, and unique style. While building one from scratch can seem daunting, Figma's vast community resources offer a fantastic way to quickly create a professional-looking portfolio. Let's get started and see just how simple it can be. Our first step is to navigate to the Community section within Figma. When you open Figma, you'll typically find this option on the left-hand sidebar or within a main menu. The Community section is a vibrant hub where designers from all over the world share their files, templates, plugins, and widgets. It's one of Figma's greatest strengths, allowing users to leverage collective creativity. We're heading here specifically to find pre-designed portfolio templates, saving us significant time and effort compared to starting from a blank canvas. Utilizing these community-driven templates means you can tap into professionally designed layouts that are ready for your personal touch, allowing you to focus more on your content rather than the underlying structure. Once you're inside the Community section, you'll notice a search bar, which is your gateway to finding exactly what you need. For our purposes, you'll want to type Portfolio into this search bar and then press Enter. This action will filter the immense library of community resources down to items specifically tagged or designed as portfolios. Portfolio is a great starting point, but don't hesitate to try related search terms later, such as Design Portfolio or Creative Portfolio, if you're looking for something more specific. The results will display a wide array of options, from minimalist designs to more elaborate, visually rich layouts. Take a moment to scroll through and see the variety available to you. Now comes the exciting part, choosing a design that resonates with you and then making it your own. Browse through the search results carefully. As you review the various portfolio templates, consider factors like the overall aesthetic, the layout's organization, and how well it aligns with your personal brand and the type of work you intend to showcase. Many templates offer a preview, allowing you to get a better sense of their structure and visual appeal. Once you find a template that catches your eye, simply click on it. Figma will then open this chosen design directly into your workspace, ready for customization. Starting editing means replacing all placeholder content. This involves updating text fields with your personal biography, skills, project descriptions, and contact information. You'll also swap out any sample images with high-quality visuals of your own projects. Feel free to adjust colors, fonts, and layout elements to perfectly match your unique style. The goal is to transform the template into a truly personal reflection of your best work.